This is a tutorial on how to schedule a parent-teacher conference. First, visit our website at usd381.org. Then select the Parent-Teacher Conference tab on the far right. From there, you'll be prompted to sign in. However, if you have never visited our website and signed up, you will be required to do that first. That is as simple as entering your email address, creating a password, and entering your first and last name. I have already done so, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in using my own personal email address and password. Now you are given an option of 2 conference dates, so you select which date you would like to schedule for. Once you select the date, you will be given a list of teachers' names. So let's just say I have a student in elementary with Mrs. Ackerman, and I have a student with Mr. Kimke at the high school. So I'm going to select both teachers. Then below the list of teachers is a place to enter your student's name. So I'm going to enter my children's names. Notice down here it says no appointments scheduled. So I know for sure I do not have any scheduled appointments. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Now both teachers' schedules are listed side by side, so I have a better idea of what available slots I have close by. So I'm going to say I want to schedule an appointment with Mrs. Ackerman at 4:30, and I would like to schedule an appointment with Mr. Kimke at 4:45. I select both of those boxes, then I hit update. Now those boxes have turned green. And when I scroll down, it has my scheduled times listed below. That is how you schedule a parent-teacher conference.